Okay, my friends, today we're making today the breakfast of champions. Yeah, breakfast of champions like in IHOP or Waffle House. So I'm gonna get here eggs, six large eggs. This is my size. So there you have them. Six whole large eggs. I'm gonna make them drop. So scramble them a little bit and I'm gonna add more. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share with your friends and family. I'm gonna put some ham right with the eggs at this point. So if I have six eggs, I'm gonna put like 4 to 6 slices of ham. That's just my preference. You can put more or less depending on what you like. So there you have the eggs with the hams, and I'm gonna incorporate this. I'm gonna scramble these together, and this is almost ready for the griddle. We're cooking these today on the griddle outside. IHOP or Waffle House style. So here I have the kielbasa or smoked sausage. This happens to be a kielbasa, but you can also use any smoked sausage of your preference. You kind of split them in half like that because we're going to the flat top outside on the griddle. So there's the kielbasa, and I'm using 2 slices of turkey bacon. You can use any bacon that you like, but I want to be on the healthy side here, even though this is a portion for a horse. And I'm gonna use some Hawaiian bread and sausage, Italian sausage here, sausage patties here. So that, like I told you, this is not a kid's breakfast. And my hash browns, shredded hash browns. This is not kids' breakfast. This is actually the breakfast of champions. So I have my griddle outside here. The left side is a cooler side. The right side is a hot side. So you put your meats wherever you need to. But I'm gonna start here in the middle with the Italian sausage and the bacon and the smoked sausage, yeah, the kielbasa. And that part is less hot than the right side. So on the far corner, I'm gonna put the buns, the Hawaiian bread, so it starts toasting there a little bit. But I have more time with that one. I'm gonna put a little bit more oil here, closer to the hot zone. I just put oil on the griddle there, and I'm gonna just put my hash browns right there. So the hash browns, you gotta keep them together like that, pat them down, and you're gonna have to wait that they actually get crispy on each side, and then cook on both sides. So I'm gonna put my scrambled eggs and hams here on a frying pan here, just because I want them to stay in the same place. Otherwise, they're gonna be all over. So initially, I'm gonna put them in the pan here, and then once they start to actually cook a little bit, I'm gonna just transfer them to the flat top. But for now, we're gonna just leave them there. I'm gonna move them like that all the time so they don't stick or they don't look like they're just fried eggs. And on the far corner there, I'm gonna put some butter right on top of the griddle, and this is gonna be for the bread. So I'm gonna just put some butter there on the griddle, and right on top of that butter, I'm gonna just transfer my bread so it starts absorbing that butter. So put the bread right on top of the butter like that. That's how they do it in the diners, baby. Now we're gonna start flipping our meats here. So I'll flip my bacon. I'm gonna flip my Italian sausage patties, and I'm flipping my kielbasa sausage here. So this is almost ready. I'm gonna add a little bit more oil here over the potatoes. I'm gonna put some salt and pepper. Yeah, the hash browns. I put some oil on top because I'm gonna flip them over, and I'm gonna put some salt and pepper as well right on the eggs there. And we're just gonna scramble them again. And now they're all seasoned. I mean, this is my preference. You can just not season them or season it afterwards. I prefer to do it right there when I'm cooking it. My hash browns are ready for the first flip, and you see they're starting to get that color, that beautiful color on the other side. So you just flip them, keep them together like that. They're gonna stay together. You keep them like that together. Pat them down closer to the actual griddle, and they're ready. My scrambled eggs here ready. I mean, a little bit more ready, so I can now transfer it to the flat top. So I'm gonna put some oil there on the flat top. lower the heat. And I'm gonna just now drop my scrambled eggs and ham right on the flat top, because now they're gonna stay on right there. They're not gonna just run all over my flat top. And now my bread here, you're gonna make sure that it doesn't burn, so you flip it a few times. And that part of the grill is actually the colder part, but it's still like in a 275. And I'm flipping all my other meat here, my bacon, my kielbasa sausage, and my Italian sausage. And this scrambled eggs is almost ready. I'm gonna split that in two portions because this is a breakfast for two people. This is the final flip for the egg. This is almost ready. I'm gonna just split these in two groups, and I'm gonna add some cheese, shredded cheese right on top of it. My hash browns here, they're ready. They're crispy on both sides. So I just gave them the last flip there, and they're ready to go. And now this is just, I'm gonna put some weight here with my sausage, and my Italian sausage, and my kielbasa. And now the two scrambled eggs portions, I'm gonna put some shredded cheese right over it. Any kind of shredded cheese that you like, or slice, whatever. It's gonna melt anyway. So we're gonna put some shredded cheese right on top of my scrambled eggs there. And guess what? This is ready, my friends. The breakfast of champions, just like they do it in IHOP or on your favorite Waffle House or any diner. This is the breakfast of champions. This is not for kids. So I'm gonna plate this. I'm gonna put in my scrambled eggs there, my Italian sausage patty, my turkey bacon here in this other corner, and my toasted Hawaiian bread right on that corner there. And remember, this is the breakfast of champion. It's gonna last you almost all day. One of those sausage links. This is the kielbasa, and the final ingredient here will be the hash browns here on the corner, just like that. And there you have it, the breakfast of champions. I hope you enjoy it. There you have it. Remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends and family. Bring me more people to my channel. That we're making great videos here. I'll see you next time.